Yeah. Wind. Let's see what this one does. Just waiting for him and then I'm going it. Shit, still? Alright, still on. Alright. Where's the plane? Where is it?
You let go of it, I want to see if it stays like that.
A little too tail heavy. I mean, nose heavy.
Well, I don't know if the CG's wrong, but it balanced perfect when it flies good.
Okay.
It's just today I cannot use flaps.
No, you can't.
It's like, I
It's,
thought I was losing control at first.
no, it's too much stuff going on.
Yeah. Because the flaps just slows you down. Today they're thermal.
Take off flaps.
They'll just like bounce you around. You won't have any, you lose control. Your plane won't be flying.
Alright, let me take off real quick.
Keyon!
What?
Wait!
Timer cleared.
Take it off!
Hurry up. Hurry up. Waiting. Tape on catch.
I don't know, because I got bored. I had nothing to do, so I put the tape in. The tape on.
Dang it. That's a long list, my friend. Actually, mine's probably
Black up.
Alright.
Coming out.
I'm doing a fast downwind and then go ahead.
No flap.
I gotta retrim it now because I was flying with flaps down.
I know, because my packs are really light.
What do you have in there?
4,200.
Beware of the wind. Nate, step back. There you go. That right there. Low pass.
Yours is so... It looks slower with the rails.
Flies better with the rails.
And you wonder why you only get 3 minutes of flight.
With the 5,000?
Yeah, I know, and you fly way too nose for that, so you always get them.
Time remaining 1.
I have the battery the same way as you.
Bye bye.
The rail was in full throttle.
Oh, I know you weren't. It just looked cool. God, I lost my turn. The wind.
I know, yeah.
Setting goes down? I mean, you're going let me go. I'm full free.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Shut up, Jack.
1. Time
Okay, I'm gonna do a gear pass and land. I gotta always do the gear pass because this gear does this weird thing now.
Gear down.
Yeah, see it rolls to the right.
What?
my plane now because of the gear door. I gotta land, guys, after your touch and go. Landing after your touch and go. Ooh, I like that. No flaps.
I'm gonna do a fast, slow pass from the left. You'll be fine.
Did you hear that goat? Woo! Alrighty, that was fun.
Ray, you make that look so good.
Thank you very much.